Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So most people solve this question like 10 divided by 5 is equal to 2. Then again 10 multiply 5 is equal to 50. Okay. So 2 divide 50 is equal to 2 divide 2 is equal to 1. 50 divide 2 is equal to 25. So the answer is 1 upon 25. Okay. But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay. PEMDAS P E M D A S. According to PEMDAS, first priority is parentheses, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay. So here is division, and here is multiplication. So all have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay, so first we have to solve this division. So is equal to 10 divided by 5 is equal to 2. Divide 10 multiply 5. Okay, now 2 divided by 10 can be written as 2 upon 10 multiply 5. Now 2 multiply 5 is equal to 10 divide 10. So 10 divide 10 is equal to 1. Okay, so the correct answer is 1. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.